Good morning, Adel Elementary, and welcome to our virtual April Star Student Assembly. As you know, each month we pause and honor just a few students in each classroom for their achievements at school. Since we were unable to gather in person for the month of April, we wanted to bring that assembly to all of you through this video. In just a moment, the teachers will recognize the student or students from their classroom for our April assembly. At the end, we hope you'll join in on participating with our school chant and singing our Star Student Song. Thanks so much for joining in to recognize the accomplishments of these hard-working students.
My first student is a true reader at heart. She works incredibly hard during independent reading to stay focused and interested in her books. She uses her strategies and fixes up what she reads aloud in order to really understand the text. Her determination makes her a very smart reader. And the star student is Harper. My next student has determination in math that is outstanding. He is always thinking and trying his very best to solve problems and figure out number patterns. He really looks at the numbers and uses his number sense to solve a problem efficiently. This kid has become a real math whiz. This star student is Liam. My last star student has worked so hard and been so determined that he is now really confident in his reading. He carefully considers unknown words, uses his strategies as he reads, and has such smart thinking beyond the text. He truly is an outstanding reader. And this star student award goes to Crew. Now let's hear from Mrs. Greenslade's class.
Our first award goes to a student who is a wonderful writer. He generates unique story ideas and uses descriptive language that keeps his readers interested in his stories. He is not afraid to revise or edit his work and will stick with a piece of writing until he has it perfected. This award goes to Carter. The next award goes to an enthusiastic learner. No matter the subject, he is excited to be a part of the conversation and share his work. He is an eager researcher who will take a topic he's read about in reading group and extend it by learning more and then sharing his knowledge with his class through a Google slide. His passion for knowledge will take him far in life. This award goes to Mason. And our last award goes to a caring and thoughtful person who always strives to be her best self. She is helpful in the classroom and is careful to ensure that her classmates aren't feeling left out. Her kind-hearted spirit always adds a special touch to our busy school days. This award goes to Olivia. And now let's hear from Mrs. Kreifels.
My first star student is a stellar mathematician. He always shows us his thinking when solving a problem and uses efficient strategies to solve any problem put his way. He loves a challenging number sense routine and can think about numbers in a very flexible way. This award goes to Connor. My next star student is a wonderful writer. She makes her text very compelling by choosing a very good text structure for each book. creating fantastic illustrations, and using descriptive language to add excitement to her text. Her books are so fun to read. This award goes to Ashton. All right, let's hear from Mrs. Lang's class.
Our first award goes to a student that thoughtfully selects nonfiction topics that he is an expert on. Your compelling introductions capture the reader's attention. You then use your schema to include facts in your writing. This award goes to Andrew. Our next award goes to a star student that creatively writes about a variety of topics. The details you add to your writing engage and captivate the reader. We love when you share your writing with our class. This award goes to Sophie. And our last award goes to a star student that comes to reading group prepared to read and discuss the text. When you get to a tricky word, you use the strategies you know to figure out the word. Thank you for working so hard. This award goes to Robert. And next up is Mrs. Mars.
Our first award goes to a star student that does everything with a smile and spreads positivity to others throughout each day. He is always helpful in the classroom and a great friend to others. Our class is very lucky to have such a wonderful friend like him. This award goes to Jake. This award goes to a star student that loves the challenge of solving tricky math problems. He uses strategies efficiently and shares out his great mathematical thinking with our class. He is quite the mathematician. This award goes to Owen M. Our last award goes to a star student that takes risks and tries new things in her writing to compel her audience. With every book, she begins with a vision, then plans her text with very thoughtful and intentional decisions. She is a skilled writer. This award goes to Kylie. Now let's hear from Mrs. Rice.
The first award goes to a student for being such a hard worker. You try your best at reading, math, and writing. No matter what we are working on, you always give your best effort. You have made amazing progress this year, and you set such a good example for others. And the award goes to Nolan. The next award goes to a student for always setting a good example for others. You are kind, thoughtful, and a hard worker. You're always willing to lend a helping hand to a friend, and you help to make our room such a happy place to learn. You are an amazing kid. And the award goes to Jackson. Now we're ready for Miss Tecklenburg's class.
This award goes to a star student who is a hard worker who is always looking ahead to the next challenge. He loves to learn new ways to solve problems in math and share his thinking with others. Thank you for being such a great role model. This award goes to Tyson. And our next award goes to a star student who is such a great helper in the classroom. He is always excited to do things for his classmates and for his teachers. He is a star reader who asks and answers questions about the texts he is reading. This award goes to Hayden. And from Miss Tilly's class.
All right, our last Star Student Award goes to a student for his excitement while reading. He gets lost in a book and enjoys all the clever details authors include. He loves to share his thoughtful ideas about the text. He has the best smile when he is reading to share something that has made him chuckle. This award goes to Aiden.
We are AE Tigers. AE Tigers. We are AE Tigers.
We treat our friends with kindness. We treat our friends with kindness. Star, star student shine. Star, star student shine. We work hard every day. We work hard every day. Star, star student shine. Star, star student shine. We are awesome learners. We are awesome learners. Star, star student shine. Star, star student shine. We treat our friends with kindness. We treat our friends with kindness. Star, star student shine. Star, star student shine. We work hard every day. We work hard every day. Star, star student shine. Star, star student shine. We are awesome learners. We are